First, open Canva.
Click Website to create a new project. Once your blank website project is open, go to the left panel. Click on Elements. Search for Background. Choose a background that matches the Valentine's theme. You can use a photo or a video background. Add the background to your canvas. Resize it so it covers the entire page. Now we need to add an envelope. Go to Photos. Search for Valentine envelope or simply envelope. Look for an envelope that has both a closed and an open version. If possible, choose matching versions so they look consistent. Add the closed envelope to the first page. Resize it. Place it in the center of the canvas. Go to Elements. Search for Valentine wax seal. Choose a wax seal and place it on the envelope. Now add some text. Go to Text. Click Add a heading. Type Happy Valentine's Day. Choose an elegant or romantic font. Adjust the font size. Place the text above or below the envelope. Now add another text box. Type Tap to open. Adjust the font size. Place it on the envelope so visitors know they can click it. Your first page is now ready. Next, we need to create the second page. Right-click on the first page. Select Duplicate Page. This creates a copy of the first page. On the second page, remove the closed envelope. Also remove the Valentine's text if it is not needed. Now go back to Photos. Search for Envelope again. Find the matching open envelope. Add it to the second page. Resize it.
Position it where the closed envelope was. Rotate it slightly if needed. Now move the heart or wax seal to the side of the canvas. We will use it later. Next, let's create the Valentine's message card. Search for Paper Texture. Choose a card or paper divine. Add it to the canvas. Resize it so it fits inside the envelope. Type your Valentine's message. Choose a font that matches your design. Adjust the font size, spacing, and position. Once you are happy with the card, next we need to create the envelope reveal. Select the envelope. Click Edit. Open All Tools. Select Magic Grab. Use the Brush tool. Brush over the front part of the envelope. Make sure you select the complete front section. Then click Grab. Canva will separate the front part of the envelope. Now the envelope should have separate front and back sections. Place the Valentine's message card between the two envelope sections. Make sure the card is behind the front part of the envelope. This will make the card look like it is inside the envelope. Now we need to create the animation. Move the card slightly outside the envelope. Select the invitation card. Click Animate. Choose Custom Animation. Move the card upward.
This creates the effect of the Valentine's card coming out of the envelope. Set the movement style to Smooth. Then click Done. Now let's make the envelope clickable. Go back to the first page. Right-click on the envelope or another element. Select Link. You will see the available pages. Select Page 2. Then click Done. Repeat this for any other elements that you want to make clickable. Now preview your website. Click the envelope on the first page. It should take you to the second page. The Valentine's card should appear to come out of the envelope. If the animation looks good, we can publish it as an interactive website. Click Share. Select Website. Open Settings. Find the Navigation menu option. Disable the navigation menu. This keeps the Valentine's invitation clean and simple. Now click Publish. Wait for Canva to publish the website. Once it is published, Canva will provide you with a website URL. Copy the link. You can now send this Valentine's invitation to your loved ones. They can open the link and interact with the animated envelope. That's it. This is how you can create an animated Valentine's envelope as an interactive website in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.